Hey guys, how to stake cryptocurrency on Kraken for rewards. So in order to do this, open Kraken Pro so you understand more. Hit earn at the bottom right if you funded your account, obviously, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna select auto earn or earn wallet. I'm gonna select auto earn, right? And what you're gonna do, basically deposit or withdraw to another wallet, right? In my case, I'm gonna go ahead to the earn again, and you're gonna see right here that cryptos that are already that I'm already staking. I'm gonna go ahead to ETH, right, and select the staking option, bonded or bonded restaken. So let's say I'm using the second option. Hit continue, and enter the amount you want to stake on want to stake for Ethereum, and hit review. Swipe to confirm that you want to stake this amount of Ethereum. You will start earning rewards after the 22 bonding period ends. If you unstake, your ETH will be locked for 14-day unbonding period and will earn no rewards. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.